Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today idiom is hit the road. When you are ready to go somewhere before starting the trip or leaving a place. Let's hit the road. चलो चलते हैं. Okay? When we are getting late for going somewhere, so we say, come on, let's hit the road. I had my breakfast and then we hit the road.
But guys, you can use this idiom only when you are going somewhere, travel, journey. Okay, not like that you are going to your kitchen and you can use this idiom. Hit the road. Let's hit the road. I will start cooking. Let's hit the road and then I will start cooking. No, it's not like that. You can use only this idiom when you are going somewhere outside. Your journey, your trip, your school, your college, whatever.
I hope you like this video. Bye bye.